Ithaca, New York. It's outside Cayuga Lake, one of the Finger Lakes in New York State. Hundreds of feet up in the air. What's that tree? 60 feet high? There's towers and towers and towers over it. See on this side you got ice floes. Alright. Now let's look on this side. See the water rushing through, right? On this side the water rushes, right? Moves. And then on this side it ices out, it chunks out. Amazing, right? Goes under this bridge and it turns into ice cubes, ice floes. Alright, let's see that again, right? Here you are. Free flowing water. Free flowing water, right? And then just to this side, ice floes. Amazing. Mid-January on a Sunday afternoon.